We're going to go over a quick install for an F150 3-liter Powerstroke Stealth Performance Module. This is our personal 2018 F150. It's got about 24,000 miles on it. Module's been on for about 20,000 miles now. But we're just going to go over how quickly and easy the module is installed. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the engine cover. If you look back here, you'll notice you've got two kind of hinges that sits in. And then there's two posts. There's one over here and then one on this side of the engine that it snaps down on. So you're going to pick that up and pull it back. On the passenger side of the motor, you have this piece of foam insulation that's going to cover the end of your fuel rail. So we're going to take and pull that out of the way. And then we're going to access the end of our fuel rail, which is right here. Now I already have the module plugged in on this. When you remove the factory plug, which is going to be this one right here, it's got a push tab, so you push, pull to release it. Please note the orientation of this clip. So you want to install the module harness the same direction as that. If you install it the other way, you're going to get a reduced power mode, limp mode, or some kind of error on the dash. So make sure you pay attention to the orientation of that plug when it's removed. The other part of the module install is going to be taking this plug right here, and then you're going to plug it in to where the engine harness is. So let's do that real quick. Now make sure that these plugs, just like this. So this is how the plug is going to look when it's installed correctly. So do not line these up. Make sure that they are offset. And that's all you have to do. That is the module install. Now, you can place the module really wherever you want. It's relatively small. You can Velcro it to the battery. There's a fuse box right here you can Velcro it to, or up under this wiper cowl. It is weather sealed, so it is weather resistant. Now, don't mean dunking this thing in water. Also, your switch wiring is fairly long. We just kind of leave ours tied up next to the battery and on the high setting all the time because that's what works best for this truck. But you've got several feet of wiring that if you wanted to run this into the cabin, you most certainly can. If you have any other questions about stealth modules or this module in particular, you can give us a call at 888-613-4304 or visit our website at stealthmodules.com. Thank you.